Hi, I am Lina. Welcome to my channel. Today I will walk you through the materials you need to start embroidering. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let's start with fabric. There are lots of options, but the most common ones for embroidery are Aida fabric, cotton and linen. Aida fabric is great for cross-stitch and comes in both even and uneven weave, sometimes if with a printed pattern already on it. Cotton is dense with a tight, even weave, making it ideal for satin stitch embroidery. Linen has a beautiful natural texture and feels lovely to work with. These three are my go-to fabrics. I also use felt. It's perfect for making little brooches. Check out my other videos to see how I make them. And yes, I also embroider directly on clothing, but I wouldn't recommend starting there. Stick with cotton or linen first. The thread you choose depends on your fabric weight. Standard embroidery floss has 6 strands. I usually split it and work with 2 or 3 strands at a time. There are many brands out there trends. I will show you the ones popular in Europe, but just go with whatever's available to you locally or online. Madeira. Smooth, easy to work with, doesn't tangle. Quality widely available across Europe. Anchor. Solid quality, widely available across Europe. DMC, my personal favorite. French brand, huge color range, consistently high quality. You can also find wool and wool blend threads. They are thicker and fluffier than cotton, so the color options are more limited. I also like buying locally made thread, often just as good as the big brands. And if you want something special, there are threads with fun effects. Silver, viscose, metallic gold, silk, glow in the dark, gradient color transitions. This looks stunning on botanical designs, flowers and leaves. A good hoop keeps your fabric taut while you stitch, and that makes a huge difference in how neat your work looks. When the fabric is properly stretched, your stitches lay flat and even. Hoops come in plastic, square and magnetic styles. Choose whatever works for you. I prefer round wooden hoops. They are lightweight, easy to adjust, and hold the fabric really well. Frame-style hoops also double as a great way to display your finished pieces. Needles differ in size, thickness, eye size, and tip type. For cotton and linen, use a sharp-tipped needle. For cross-stitch, go with a blunt tip. Quick tip: the higher the needle number, the smaller and thinner it is. And avoid cheap needles, they break quickly and snag your fabric. If you are working with 4 or more strands, choose a needle with a larger eye. Threading it will be much easier. Small embroidery scissors, often called stork scissors, are a staple in every embroiderer's kit. They are compact, precise, and great for trimming thread close on the fabric. I keep several pairs for different tasks. Just make sure yours are comfortable and sharp. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. I'd also love to hear from you. What are your favorite materials to work with? Have you found a thread or fabric you swear by? See you in the next video.